Tonight, imagine putting your child to bed in a quiet, private room, a crib with soft sheets, a baby monitor glowing gently on the nightstand, the door closed, and the house silent. You might not even think twice about it. But in reality, for 99.9% of human history, a baby sleeping alone in a separate room would have been a death sentence. No crib, no monitor, no pediatrician to call for help. Just the darkness, the cold, and the countless predators that could smell a newborn from a quarter-mile away. For over 300,000 years, every single one of your ancestors faced this brutal challenge: how to keep their helpless infants alive in a world full of dangers. Human babies are arguably the most helpless creatures on the planet. Unlike other animals, they are born so underdeveloped that their survival depends on constant care and protection. How humans manage to raise these fragile infants fundamentally changes what we think about parenting, family, and even what our bodies are truly designed for. Let's start with the core problem. The problem is you. Think about it. A newborn horse can stand and walk within hours of birth. A chimpanzee baby clings to its mother's fur from the moment it's born. But a human baby? It can't even hold up its own head. It can't walk for about a year. It can't feed itself for several more. It's completely dependent on others just for survival during its earliest, most vulnerable years. The reason for this extreme helplessness lies in our biology, specifically our brains. The human brain is so large that if it were proportionally the same size as a chimpanzee's at birth, it simply wouldn't fit through the birth canal. Evolution had to make a trade-off. Human babies are born with brains roughly 25% of their adult size. In contrast, a chimpanzee is born at about 40%. This means that 75% of human brain development occurs after birth, during a period when infants are utterly defenseless. This isn't a flaw in our design. It's a fundamental feature. We have the most powerful, complex brains on the planet, capable of language, culture, and innovation. But the price of this incredible intelligence is the most helpless infant in the animal kingdom. For 300,000 years, every mother faced this equation: raise a baby that can't cling, walk, or defend itself in a world filled with predators like leopards, hyenas, and snakes. In such a dangerous environment, how did they keep these vulnerable infants alive? The answer is something that modern society has almost entirely forgotten. They didn't do it alone. Humans are what biologists call cooperative breeders. Unlike other primates, where a mother might raise her offspring largely by herself, humans evolved to raise children as a community effort. Sarah Blaffer Hyde, an anthropologist, argued in her 2009 book Mothers and Others that humans are fundamentally different in this regard. While a chimpanzee mother will carry, feed, and protect her infant almost entirely solo for about 5 years,